Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make Chromo text effect in CapCut. So yeah, I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example I'm going to add this white background template, and then I'm going to add text. For example, just for okay, and then you can okay, just export, and then go to media and import that's created, and delete this project and drag here that's created, and then just click effect, and you can find chromosome effect in party effect. So just drag here, and you can just put the position like this, just for size and the speed. So here we go. Okay, that's how to make Chrome text effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for a version and issue. Thanks, bye bye.